The B-52 cocktail is a layered shot composed of a coffee liqueur, an Irish cream, and a triple sec. When prepared properly, the ingredients separate into 3 distinctly visible layers. History: the name refers to the band the B-52s, whose name comes from the US B-52 Stratofortress long-range bomber. This bomber was used in the Vietnam War for the release of incendiary bombs, which likely inspired today's flaming variant of the cocktail. Another hypothesis centers on B-52 combat losses. One story behind the B-52 is that it was invented by Peter Fitch, a head bartender at the Banff Springs Hotel in Banff, Alberta. He named all of his new drinks after favorite bands, albums and songs. This drink was, of course, named after the band of the same name. One of his first customers for a B-52 owned restaurants in various cities in Alberta and liked the drink so much that he put it on the menu. This is why this, the first shooter, is commonly believed to originate at the Keg Steakhouse in Calgary, Alberta in 1977. The B-52 is also rumored to have been created by Adam Honigman, a bartender at New York City's Maxwell's Plum. The B-52's widespread popularity has resulted in many variations, each earning a slightly different designation. Altogether, the drinks are referred to as the B-50 series of layered cocktails. The drink became a North London favourite in late 2009 when Arsenal striker Nicklas Bendtner changed his shirt number from 26 to 52, earning himself the nickname B-52 in the process. After the Tall Dane scored the winner in a League Cup tie with Liverpool on October 28, 2009, local Islington bars reported a huge surge in the popularity of the shooter. A barmaid at the Bailey pub on Holloway Road recounted a story from the night: "It was mayhem. One lanky bloke ordered shots for the whole bar after he, Bendtner, scored. I didn't even know how to make a B-52. Preparation: there are special machines that can prepare a B-52 in only a few seconds. However, an experienced bartender usually relies on the traditional, handmade preparation. This method of the preparation is called building, as opposed to blending or shaking, thus, B-52s are built. B-52s are usually served in a shot glass or sherry glass, although a heat-proof glass is required when a flaming B-52 is served. First, a coffee liqueur, such as a Tia Maria or Kahlúa, is poured into the glass. Next, Bailey's Irish cream is poured very slowly over the back of a cold bar spoon, taking care to avoid disturbing the lower layer as the second liquor is poured on top. Just as carefully, Grand Marnier is poured atop the Irish cream using the bar spoon. The drink is sometimes made with a shaker and served in a cocktail glass, although this is less traditional. Flaming B-52: for a flaming B-52, the top layer is ignited, producing a blue flame. Filling the glass to the top reduces the amount of glass exposed to the flames, making the glass less likely to break, but the drink easier to spill. It is best to leave the flaming B-52 on the bar top and drink it through a straw. Once lit, the drink should be finished quickly to avoid overheating the glass and burning the straw. Unless the flame is extinguished before drinking, a fireproof straw or such as one made of metal may be preferred. Triple sec at room temperature will not ignite easily, so it should be warmed up beforehand or topped with an additional layer of a dark overproof rum with 65 to 85% alcohol by volume. Such a preparation can be referred to as a B-52 on a mission. Variant drinks: B-51, a B-52 with Frangelico hazelnut liqueur rather than triple sec, B-52 with Bombay Doors, a B-52 with Bombay Gin, B-52 in the desert, or a B-52 with a Mexican tail gunner, a B-52 with tequila rather than Bailey's Irish cream, B-52 with a full payload, a B-52 with a fourth layer of Frangelico and a fifth layer of Bacardi 151 rum lit on fire. B-53, a B-52 with Sambuca rather than Irish cream, B-54, a B-52 with Amaretto almond liqueur in place of triple sec, B-55, a B-52 with absinthe rather than triple sec, also known as B-52 gunship, B-57, a B-52 with peppermint schnapps rather than Irish cream. See also, List of cocktails, references, Mulligan, Sean M. Mulligan's Bar Guide. HarperCollins. ISBN A0-00-200722-3. YouTube video of B-52 machine. Reagan, Gary. The Bartender's Bible. New York, HarperCollins. PA 249. ISBN A0-06-016722-X. Cross, Robert, 1996. The Classic 1000 Cocktail Recipes. Falsham. ISBN A0-572-02852-0A.